That? You want me to drive into that? No way. Well, no better time like the present. Let's go. Oh, God. Here we go. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God, we're alive. We're alive.
Oh, well. You're alive.
Yeah.
For certain if the zone didn't get you, that gateway would. Did
Are you
I not mention
surprised?
that you're the first human I've sent through that thing? I mean, there've been rodents, but it's not like it's completely untested. But anyway, it worked. So, you should have made it back with everything you collected out there. That's the beauty of the gateway. It's the only way to get back with all your marbles intact. Now, take those parts you found into the back room. I'll let you use my fabrication station. For now. That station will concoct ways for you to rig up anything from roof racks to flare guns. Assembling an antenna with those parts you brought back should be easy as pie. But it requires anchor juice to work its magic, so bring back as many as you can. And just because I haven't used that garage in decades doesn't mean you can trash the place. Mess up my equipment and I'll throw you to the anomalies so quick you'll get whiplash. We clear?
Crystal clear. I am absolutely appalled that you did not know if I would live going through that. Very rude. Break open the back doors with an impact hammer. Okay. Voila, we're in. What's this stuff? Assemble the antenna with a fabrication station. Okay. Scanning antenna. Cobble together using equipment from Oppie's vault and scavenge spare parts. This will sweep the zone to detect pockets of stability. Okay. Oh, look at that. Hands only. Okay. Give it. Install the antenna on the roof. The roof. The roof of the actual building. Okay. What is that? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna check that out here in a sec. And pop it down. Oh. All right. Nice.
Antenna signals coming through loud and clear. Give it a moment to initialize.
Okay. Car maintenance. Install handbrake. Okay. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna see what's over here. There's something over here. What is this? It's like a jet engine. Can't interact with it. Can I scrap it? No. Alright. I guess we'll figure out what that is in a little bit. Let's go ahead and pop this other door open. Beautiful. In here, huh? Handbrake. Got another crude panel, crude bumper, repair putty, and food, scrap metal, all that stuff. Hand vac. Okay, wait, actually, I need to make some room for this. Okay, install the handbrake in the engine bay. Okay. Voila.
Make sure to empty your trunk before heading back out. You'll need the space.
Okay. Can do. Give me all this junk. And this, I should keep the road flares in there. And I'll put it in this locker. Nice. I wonder if the crafting system takes from everything that's in the garage, or if I have to have it in my inventory. That'd be very nice if it did that. Hello. Give me lots of goodies. Nice. Thank you, friendly garbage can. What's this? Transfer trunk.
And we're patched. Everything's in working shape, more or less. I've hooked up the antenna to the route planner. Give it a look after you're done peeping through my garage.
Okay, so this is like extra storage. Nice. Pop that down there. Still have my pry bar? I do. Pry this open. Nice. Alright. Fill tank, charge battery, repair car. Can do. Let's go ahead and fill the tank up. Sorry if I'm so sporadic. This mouse is, or at least I don't have a mouse pad right now, so my mouse movements are a little sporadic at the moment, but that's okay. Hope you guys don't mind. Repair the car, charge the battery, easy. Flip the switch, done. And repair the car. I've got repair putty. I saw it somewhere. Was it out here? Yeah, it was. Okay. What's damaged? Is there anything severely damaged? I just installed this headlight. How is it damaged? Other than that, it looks like we're doing all right. My tires are looking great. I mean, they're not looking great, but they're doing great. You know, they're doing its job. Oh, I had repair putty in here. Find your way to town. We need, oh, battery jumper. We need a battery jumper. Where do I get that? Is that something I can craft? Battery jumper. Ah, so it does use, oh, that's nice. It uses the components that are in the actual workshop's inventory. That's so nice. I was worried about that. All right, we got a battery jumper. Just in case our battery dies, that kind of concerns me. Why is my battery going down? Is my car on? Handbrake, skid on demand. Replace current ability. Yeah. Skid on demand with control. Nice. Okay. Find your way to town. Is that gonna be on here?
Ready to make this remnant
Hello.
verification a one and done thing? I'm sending you to visit Colossal Cappy. If that old anomaly doesn't induce electromagnetic resonance in your car, then we're free from Tobias's fever dreams and we can get you out of here. With that antenna fixed, you can now detect stabilized road junctions in the outer zone. You've got a stable route heading straight to Cappy's front door, but the energy readings are off the roof. I advise you not to take the zone lightly. You better gear up or you may not survive the trip. Which would make my life easier, so your call.
Let's go there. Why not? We should be fine, right? Yeah. Why is my battery dying so... Oh, is it because my headlights are on? I think it was because my headlights were left on. Shouldn't they turn off when I turn my car off? Alright, well, off we go. Heading into town. I'm really enjoying this game so far. Alright, so what is this? Stable anchor, and then some broken bunnies, tourist, gas station, plasma generator. It shows you kind of a list of what things are there on the right side, like in this area. Okay. Perpetual stability. I don't know what that means. C for details. The instability storm will not be chasing you here unless summoned. Interesting. Oh, I have to go... Ah, I see, I see. Okay, so I have to go manually between the zones. Here we are. Get in park real quick. I'm gonna check this map. Where are we? We're here. We got something there. Is that an exit route down that way? Some more goodies over to the left. Okay. Alright, well, I guess let's go. Remnant's parking lot.
Oh, you know what my favorite remnant was? The record player. You remember, Francis? You play records normally, but then every now and then you hear weird voices. Like that one time it was like 5th grade lunch lady.
This again.
You know, the sooner I get this out of my system, the sooner you can have some peace and quiet.
Fine.
Hey, atta girl. Oh, boy. Hey, driver, listen. Of all the legends, of all the stories that have spawned in the zone, trust me, there are so many. Remnants, one of the best.
I'll start from the beginning. In 1964, strange objects began appearing throughout the zone. They were shabby, cast-off things that were imbued with strange properties. A broken microwave that froze food instead of warming it. A rusty can of paint that produced every color in existence. Always so out of place that people were irresistibly drawn to them.
Yeah, you know, like a mysterious car in the forest, right?
Man, it's stormy out here. What's in here? Anything? Got a phone. Consumer Electronics Journal fragment, date unknown. Everyone's checked out of town. At this point, I'm the last person left. I'll be gone by tomorrow too. It's hard to believe that this was once a community. Sure, we didn't have that much to show for it. Not much to offer visitors, no great sights or famous landmarks. But a few of us lived out here, and we were happy with our lot. And then it seemed the government had plans for us. You no longer live here, they said. Here's your compensation payment. Now get out. Their weird, secret experimentation zones keep growing. They own this land now, this town, and soon we'll never be able to come back. They barely gave us enough to cover the costs of moving. Now it's time to work out what to leave behind. So we were forced to leave. We were forced to leave, huh? There wasn't really much in here. Tardigrade warning. Psychic disruption may affect work. Huh. Watch out for tardigrades, everyone. I need another scrapper. Can I craft another scrapper, maybe? I probably should have done that before I left. What's that?
I wonder if you're already feeling the remnant's effects, driver. Have you been fixating on the car, maybe?
If only
No.
we knew where remnants came from. Then we'd have a place to start on how to help you. This is no typical anomaly.
Right. Yeah. The anomalies we know, they're creepy, crawly, and weird. Like visible manifestations. The remnants were the only ones that wormed its way into your brain. There's something much, much more.
Hello. What's that? I'm driving through it, so we're about to figure out. Oh! Oh, whoa. Oh, they're controlling my car. Okay. Alright. That's fine. Just don't run into those. Should I? Yeah, I'm going for it. I want to know what's out there. I'm going for it. I'll be back. I just want to see what's down here. Fine. This is fine. Tourists. Hello. There's a lot of anomalies around here. Alright, there's some stuff around here that I can loot. Looks like a barn up here. Hey, hello. Plastic. Wonderful. Ooh, there's some bunnies. There's a lot going on around me. I'm not going to go towards the bunny. There is something over here, though, that I want to check out. Not the spewing air in the distance. Definitely not that. But there is this, and I want to know what this is. What are you? Pneumatic deposit box. Got a gear in here. Alright. Ooh. Hi. That's strange. Just going to head back to my car. You know, my Nice safe area. That's definitely not something I want to mess with. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's good. Huh. That's not on the legend. I don't know what that is. I'm not really sure if I want to know what that is. Alright, well. Let's see if we can get to this other... There's a building up here. Ooh, there's a lot of tourists. Don't mind me. Hi. Anomaly here. Pothole. Answer phone, message transcript, orange and unknown, February 12th, 1966. Hey boss, so I'm out here working with Mira and Tobias some maintenance, and I'm afraid I've got some bad news about our gear. We've run into some trouble, and I don't think we're getting it back anytime soon. Sorry. Bad start for my first potholing job. Call me when you get this, or better still, I think you should just come down here and see for yourself. Our tools, our signs, our lights, they've all taken flight, so to speak. Really, I'm serious. I'm dead serious. You should see this. I know you told me we're normal people, work in a very abnormal place. I think I know what you mean now. Yep, some weird stuff's going on. There's I need... Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. I already got that. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Is that... How's that... Oh, I'm in it. Okay. Start the car. We're leaving. We are leaving. Ooh, excuse me. Oh! The wind! There's some weird stuff going on around here. Alright. Well, now we know what that is. It's like a giant windstorm. So these different, like, anomaly areas seem to do have different effects on our car. The yellow, I think the yellow might bust our car down a little bit. I'm not sure what the light blue one does. The swirly purple and red ones take control of our vehicle, so I'm definitely going to avoid that. Make our way back to that exit point down at the bottom left of that map. So I'll see you there unless something interesting happens. I'm getting pretty good at maneuvering now, I will say. This thing is just chugging along. It's not my battery. I think it might be my engine. It's having a hard time going uphill. Alright. Made it to the turnoff pretty much without a hitch. So we're just gonna get on out of here. You. Fuel barrel? Hello? Wait, let me scan it really quick. Nice. Fuel barrel. Logbook. Transmission fragment, Arta Field Headquarters, July 19th, 1964. No, I need gasoline. Gasoline. Fuel. Whatever you want to call it. Fuel doesn't short. Fuel isn't affected by electromagnetic pulses. Fuel doesn't need replacement parts. I don't care about all the apparently genius technology you reckon is going to solve the world's problems. None of it works in this cursed place. What was that? Hello? Okay. Anyways. If you want us to ever get anything done, just send more fuel for the generators, for the cars, for the machinery, and send it yesterday. It looks like you never got it. And what was that? That's some War of the Worlds stuff going on. I've got a siphon here. A fuel can. Fill it up. Can I? Yeah, I can. Let's fill her up. Is that it? Is that all I got? Alright. There we go. Alright, we're off to Serum. I think if we exit this way... Shut the... Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not what I meant to do. Let me in. Let me in my car. There we go. Alright, I think if we exit through this way, we should be able to go to the next area. Yeah? Yeah, okay. Alright, so we're going to Serum, which is the town center. I'm gonna be so upset if my audio doesn't record this time. I've made a lot of progress. Is something unusual stuck to your car? Try giving it a swift kick. Okay. Man, that would have been good to know whenever that thing stuck to my car earlier. I kind of just yeeted it. Town center, damp forest, outer zone. Put her in park real quick. Let me check this out. We're over here on the right. Drive to the scenic overlook to get a view. Okay, so we're gonna take a right. Hold on. What? In the heck? Oh, that's so weird. And cool at the same time.
God, Sierra.
Yep.
Never wanted to think about this place ever again. Head toward town. Colossal Cappy is smack dab in the middle of where Sierra used to be. You can't miss it.
Welcome to Serum. Is this gonna be...
Is there a reason you're driving straight towards the
no, 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 no! Ooh, whoa,
You
whoa, whoa.
want to know if there's a
Okay,
speck of
that
remnant
could have been
energy
real
in
bad.
that car? This is how you do it.
You're using Cappy to amplify the remnant signal. That's insane.
Cappy?
Driver, are you sure about this?
Well, they'll be fine.
It's not fine. Look at those radiation spikes that Colossal Cappy's still giving off.
After all these years, to achieve any sort of resonance, the driver's going to have to get
What?
right up against Cappy.
I get you, Francis, but Oppie's got a point. Any remnant energy lingering in the car is too weak to detect with conventional methods.
Really? You're gonna take her side?
This isn't about science. It's a good plan.
You just
I
want to
won't
know what
risk someone's
happens.
life just so we can log another remnant sighting.
The driver can make their own decision. I'm not forcing them to do anything. For all I care, they can lay down and wait until the instability takes them. That would get them out of my hair much faster than all of these shenanigans.
I guess we have no choice. We're just gonna drive head first into that thing. It seems like a great idea, you know? Nothing bad could possibly happen. Ooh, hello. Whoa! Kind of slippery. Serum. Here we are. Ooh, some plasma here. Get the car close to the anomaly. Ah. Okay, I want that. So I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna use my hammer on that thing. Ow. Nope. Nope. Good thing is I'm getting better at disabling these. So that's good. You think I could jump that? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna jump it. Oh, this is not gonna work well. I'm punching it right now. Come on, you got this. Yes! Woo! Nice. Okay. Putting it in park really quick. I want to check out this gas station. Big Dan's. Ooh, trash can. Is it friendly? It is friendly. Give me stuff. Hey! Wow. Oh, there's so much stuff. Got some plastic, fabric, leaded platelets. Thank you. Thank you, friendly dumpster. Oh, there's a workbench here. Is there anything else? Thank you. What can I craft? Oh, I need another scrapper. This thing? Absolutely junk. Get out of here. Don't want it. I've got a new one. What else can I make? Sealing kit, spare tire. Don't need it. Were those there before? I don't know if those were there before. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how I missed those before. Alright, well, we're gonna get the car close to this anomaly. And, everything's gonna be absolutely fine. It stopped raining. That's a good sign. Alright. I still have that putty. I do. This thing needs some healing. Alright. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Coming through. Oh, excuse me.
Huh. No response. Maybe you need to get closer to Cappy's core way up there. Can you find a way to high ground?
Oh. Excuse me. Higher ground. I think I can. In the car, though? I don't know. I'm not sure about in the car. But, I'll try my best. Okay. Just gotta get up there somehow. Here, wait, hold on. Come on. You got this. Oh! You're doing great. Can I get up there? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! This is definitely not the way to go. That's fine. You know what? That's fine. Maybe I can go underneath it and around. Ah, my parts. I'm not taking very good care of this thing, that's for sure. That's fine. I'm not going crazy, right? You saw that distortion. There's some weird stuff going on. Ah, man, this thing is hard to control. Come on, baby. Ah! Okay, alright, we might be able to get up from here. While I'm safe. Oh, I need to repair some stuff. Not too bad. The worst part is the front because I am absolutely ramming into everything. The tires are doing okay. Headlight. Alright, off we go. Just gotta avoid. You're right in the way, dude. Excuse me. Don't trust them. Don't trust who? Who are you talking about? I don't know who you're talking about.
Well, it's still not close enough to Cappy.
What now?
How about, launching the car?
What just happened?
Into Cappy's core.
I'm sorry. What?
It's simple. The driver jumps the car into the heart of the anomaly, and if I time it right, I'll open the gateway and extract them.
And if you don't?
I've run some calculations. I think it should be fine. Anyway, it's like they always say, what's an experiment without some risk of total annihilation?
Who says that exactly?
In no way, shape, or form should we be doing this.
Well, but you know, if it's the only way, you got this, kid, for it.
Yeah, okay. What does this do? Oh, I just opened the gate. Alright. Whatever you say, boss. I'm on it. You want me to jump? I say, how far? I'm listening to orders. Let's do this. Punch it. Punch it, Herbie.
There's no
Oh, whoa! Successfully pass Optics Theory and return to Auto Shop. Okay, so I'm assuming everything is fine. Now we're A-okay, right? Yep, sure enough. Look at that. We're great. We're doing great.
Damn it, you piece of crap. Come back on already. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Cappy fried my transmission systems. Thought I lost you for a moment.
I'm
Well,
fine.
It all worked out, didn't it?
Yeah.
The gateway got you out, and it looks like the Arc device is still intact with all the data it's recorded from your drive.
Beautiful.
And my plan worked. Cappy amplified the car's signal and it matches. Looks like Tobias and Francis found their remnant after all. Unfortunately, what they've been saying is true. The remnants drive their victims mad. Maybe that car, having sat dormant for this long, will give you a little more time. Sorry, I don't have better news for you. I'm still game to get you out of here. The faster you leave, the longer you'll have to enjoy the rest of your sanity. None of the routes you've mapped so far leads to a way out. Why don't you head back out and chart some more? You can get in touch with Tobias and Francis while you're out there.
Ah, beautiful. I love that. I love this mechanic. Oh, the friendly dumpster. How could I have forgotten? Hey, bud. Thank you. And repair the car. Okay. Repair putty. Actually, I have some in my inventory. Good. What do we need to record? What do we need to repair, really? Front left panel and front right headlight. Sploosh. And sploosh. Beautiful. Well, we might as well just slather this on everything. Need some more. Slap that there putty on it. Beautiful. Wonderful. How my tires looking? My tires are looking actually just fine. This crude door, though. It's seen some better days. Alright, good enough. Good enough, I say. I think that's about all the time we have for this episode. I'm really loving this. I can't wait to play some more, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm excited to figure out what exactly is going on in this world. So I've been Oats in Orbit. I'll catch you in the next episode. Later.